guided meditation to help you manifest the home of your dreams. Find a quiet space and settle into a comfortable position, making sure you will not be disturbed. Gently close your eyes and take a deep inhale. While you're inhaling, say, breathing in on the exhale, breathing out. Repeat this breathing exercise, focusing on your breath. Feel your entire body unwind and let go. Now, start to visualize your dream house. Imagine standing at the driveway, looking towards the front of the house. Notice the color, the shape. How many windows are there? Now let's walk up the driveway towards the front door. What color is your door? When you get to the front door, reach into your pocket, take out the keys, and unlock the door. When you step inside the hallway, notice the smells of a newly decorated house. Take a look around. Is there a stairway? Is it a large foyer? Or do you step right into your living room? Now let's make your way to the kitchen. Here are your footprints on the floor. Is the floor wood or tile or something else? As you walk into your kitchen, notice how open it is, how bright and airy. What color are your cabinets? What do your countertops look like? Notice the appliances. Spend some time in here examining all the details. Now look at your beautiful living area. Walk over to the couch, have a seat. Look up to the wall and see your perfect TV. Now let's go to the back door and look outside. Feel the air on your face. What do you see when you look outside? Is it a pool? A beautiful flower garden? Maybe you can see the beach, or you have a beautiful city view. Just explore what's around you. Enjoy the smells, the sights, the feeling, the breeze. Feel like you're there. Take it in. Now take off your shoes and go back inside. Step into the main dining room. Is there a fireplace? What kind of furniture do you have? Let's go into your office and look at your desk, your computer, everything you need for a well-functioning office. What kind of work do you do? Can you see yourself working in this house? Now let's head towards the bedroom, the master suite. When you enter the main bedroom, notice the size, the direction of the bed. Notice the fantastic views from your window. Is there a balcony? Lie down on your bed and feel how comfortable it is. Smell the freshly laundered sheets. Make your way into the bathroom. Feel the tiled floor underneath your feet. Is there a large walk-in shower? What about a jacuzzi tub? Double sink? Now let's explore your closet. Notice how big your closet is. Look at all of your beautiful clothes and shoes and bags, all neatly arranged and organized in this fabulous closet. Now let's leave the master bedroom, close the door behind you, and look around at some of the other bedrooms. Notice the color schemes, the decor, the beds, the flooring, the size of the bathrooms. Now let's walk outside and lie down on this beautiful deck chair. Look up at your house. Notice the exterior of the house. What are the sounds around you? Do you hear birds coming from the trees? Do you hear the splash of water? The warmth of the sun? Now, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I deserve this house. My house fulfills all my needs. I can afford my dream house with ease. I create a beautiful home for my family. I am so grateful for my dream home. I am designing the house of my dreams. I feel completely at ease in my home. My home is a safe, comfortable environment. I have wonderful neighbors. I love my new home and my new neighborhood. I surround myself with objects in my home that make me happy. My beautiful home is a reflection of my beautiful mind and my beautiful life. Take a moment to feel gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. Peace, love, and light.